Happy Thursday, 7th grade. It is August 27th. Please make sure you do your daily attendance. Make sure you're checking your emails. And make sure that you're watching the video that's going to be attached to my picture. Okay, our standard for today is the same as yesterday. Analyze the structure an author uses to organize a text, including how the major sections contribute to the whole and to the development of the ideas. Your learning targets are the same as yesterday. I can determine the structure an author uses to organize a text. I can analyze the development of a text. You're going to use that information and you're going to do exactly that today. Teach, learn. You need to read this informational text, Hindenburg Formula for Disaster. There's the link for it right there. How do section The Incendiary Paint Theory and IPT Fatally Flawed correspond to each other? So you're going to read those two sections and see if they share a text structure in common, or if they don't, what text structure do they have? If I remove the Hindenburg story, how will this affect the development of the text? In your notebook, label Hindenburg notes, complete Cornell or two-column notes explaining how different text structures contribute to the development of the whole text. I'm going to take a picture of that, submit it to me on Canvas, and then you have a closing question, 2 closing questions for today. Please go to the home page, look at the organization of your notebook and assignments so you can see how I have this set up in 2-column notes for you, and with the line at the bottom so that you can answer the 2 questions. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you have a great day. See you soon. Bye.